Goat milk, diagonals, pencil lines. Can she soap it? I have recently been accepted into the Mad Micah's affiliate program. I'll leave my affiliate link in the video description for some of these beautiful micas. If you purchase through my link, I will earn a little commission off of the sales. I used a fork to provide something for the fragrance oil to follow so that it didn't drip down the side of the bottle. You can use lots of different things, but I used this fork later to texture the top of the soap, and so this kept me from dirtying up an extra utensil just for the fragrance. I prefer to add my fragrance to my base oils whenever I can. That way I only need to measure them once instead of measuring them into each different color later. It eliminates some room for error and it's a simpler process for me. Some fragrances that misbehave are not best used this way. But I try to choose fragrances that will work well, like this, to simplify my process. I replaced a portion of my distilled water with evaporated goat milk. I made my lye solution with 3 ounces less water than usual, and I added 3 ounces of evaporated goat milk to the base oils and blended them in before adding the lye water solution. The lye and oils were pretty warm, around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, but I wanted diagonal layers in this design. The warmer temp will help the soap set up a little since I'm not doing an intricate swirl. This fragrance oil may have behaved a little too well for this design. Even at a warm temperature, I needed to stick blend a little more to get it to thicken up a bit for the first layer. Afternoon tea from Nurture Soap has become one of my new favorite scents because of how well it behaves and how wonderful it smells. This is an organza bag that I took the drawstring out of and split down the seam. With a never been used hair tie, this makes a wonderful mica sifter for a pencil line. I made sure to blow off the extra mica to reduce the risk of soap coming apart of the mica line. If the line is too thick, the soap can split along the line when you cut the loaf into bars. A little rubbing alcohol and a towel are perfect for cleaning up the sides of the mold. If I didn't clean up the extra mica, my soap would be black color all the way up the sides instead of the color of each layer. I used a small measuring spoon to provide a little tilt under the mold, and then I turned the mold for each layer so the slopes would be different for each pencil line. I kept adding a little mica and then blowing on the top of the soap to distribute the mica and remove the excess. When it was pretty well evenly covered and the mica line wasn't too thick, I was satisfied with it. This will go into the oven to CPOP, just like most of my other soaps. The video description contains information on how I CPOP my soaps. I am so pleased with how these layers turned out. Many times my designs don't go quite like I planned, but these turned out perfectly. This is exactly what I wanted.